Today we are going to discuss the topic about linear induction motor. The linear induction motor is a special electrical machine which converts the electrical energy into mechanical energy of translator of motion. Linear motor is an electrical induction motor that produces motion into straight line rather than rotational motion. It classified into induction motor and DC motor, synchronous motor, oscillatory motors and hybrid motor. In linear motor, the stator, adverbed and laid flat rotor moves fast in this straight line. Construction of linear induction motor. The construction of linear induction motor, primary is stator and secondary is rotor. Motion is a midpoint. Field system has two tasks, one is single and another one is doubled. Conducting plate is made up of copper and aluminium. Primary and middle point is motion and secondary point is ferromagnetic material. Then linear induction motor, motion straight line, force is a linear motion and force is perpendicular to thrust. And stator polyphase induction motor cut along section and lead flat surface. Then consequently, rotor form secondary consists of flat aluminium conductor with ferromagnetic core effective flux linkage. This is the circuit diagram construction of linear induction motor. First one is stator and rotor and stator and rotor coils arrangement and rotor arrangement magnets. Working of linear induction motor. The working principle of linear induction motor is three-phase primary winding is energized. Magnetic field is moving on straight line from one end to other end. Wise voltage is produced. V is equal to 2F dou and F is supply frequency and dou is a pole pitch. Current produced in the secondary and relatively speed also produced. V R equal to 1 minus S Vs. Then slip also S equal to Vs minus Vr divided by Vs. Primary excited balance three-phase power supply. A traveling flux induced to the primary instant of rotating three-phase flux. Electric current induced to the secondary of the circuit. This induced current interact with the traveling flux of produced linear force of thrust F. The secondary voltage is force of move to primary in its direction of the force, resulting in the record of motion. Speed. The synchronous speed of the linear induction motor is Ns equal to 2Fs divided by P. F is a frequency and P is a number of poles. The developed field thrust in linear traveling field, the velocity of the equation is Vs equal to 2Tfs. Vs is a velocity of linear traveling field and T is a pole pitch. Then slip of the linear induction motor Vr equal to 1 minus S Vs. Advantage of linear induction motor. No moving parts of go wrong. As the platform rides above track to cushion of air, there has no loss of energy in linear induction motor, so that friction or no vibration. As both acceleration braking are achieved through electromagnetism, linear motors much quicker than ordinary motors. Disadvantage of linear induction motor: more power is required and efficiency is very lower. Application of linear induction motor. The application of linear induction motor is automatic shielding doors in electric drains and mechanical handling equipment such as propulsion of drain tubes along certain route. metallic conveyor belt. These are the application of linear induction motors. Thank you.